Hey guys, Ounce here. Today, not a meme or anything. It's just sort of a um, car concern. But basically, my this is my 2000 Chevy Impala, and it makes a weird noise when I rev it. Like it makes a whirring noise. I don't know if that's normal or not. Like I read it might be like a loose belt or something, but I'm not sure. Um, there's not really any problems with it. I find that it like if I'm driving, it's less like notable, and it seems to be more noticeable if I'm lower on fuel. So if you guys know what it is or if it's normal or anything, just let me know in the comments and